So anytime that there's an emergency in the airport or an alarm goes off, and knowing where something is and taking the time down from looking through PDFs from a couple minutes to just a couple seconds in terms of efficiency is huge.
So in the past, we would have all of our facility record data as AutoCAD files, and we shared that with the rest of the company through PDFs. It took about 3 months to republish in AutoCAD all of our PDFs, which essentially became obsolete as soon as we published them. So if any rooms changed, it wouldn't be updated right away, which caused issue for incidents or emergency response.
So anytime that there's an emergency in the airport, it comes to me and my coworkers in the Integrated Operations Center. So we'd get a fire alarm somewhere in the basement in a mechanical room. I have no idea where that is. So I'm trying to open PDFs, dig through them, hoping I can find the right room. There's no search bar either in there. So it's just like hoping you can figure it out. Meanwhile, you have the fire department on the curb being like, hey, where are we going?
You need to know what you have and where you have it. And GIS is that tool where people can search information and see where it is right away. And the IOC team came to us and wondered if we could transfer from CAD to GIS our room areas so that they could use a GIS tool to find those rooms. We realized ArcGIS Online would be the perfect tool to share with those team members to access the information. The GIS solution was also part of our corporate strategy enablers, one of which focuses on enhancing quality and efficiency through innovation and technology. And GIS really does do a good job of innovating and increasing efficiency through technology just by the time savings alone. So right from day one, the IOC was really excited to get this tool. It was so easy to use. We set up an hour-long training session and we were done in 15 minutes because the Experience Builder that we created for them really was intuitive to use.
It's incredible because if I have that situation where something is in a room that I've never heard of and I don't know where it is, I just open up my map, I type in the room number and it shows up, and then I can find, oh, this is near that landmark or it's near this checkpoint, and I can at least tell my security guards and my responding staff where they need to go.
When the IOC came on board, it essentially tripled our user count. And since they've been using it, they've become a real champion for us. They're showing other people GIS and other teams, and about 1/3 of our corporate staff are now on the ArcGIS Online system, and we hope to expand that in the future to all our staff members. And now the sky's the limit for our GIS.